Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable developer options and USB debugging on your Android so the PC can communicate. On the computer, install the OEM USB drivers to avoid connection errors and use a quality USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 cable. Back up your data now because updates can fail. Make sure the phone has over 50% battery or stays plugged in. Once done, connect the phone and confirm the PC recognizes it in Device Manager before moving on. Next, obtain the correct firmware and tools. Download the official firmware or OTA file that exactly matches your device model and region. Mismatches can brick the phone. Install the manufacturer flashing tool or set up ADB and Fastboot on your PC and run the program as administrator so permissions aren't blocked. Verify the downloaded file checksum to ensure integrity. Once the tool detects your phone, choose the appropriate flash or sideload option. Make sure to read prompts before you confirm the operation. Now you perform the update. Start the flashing or sideload process in the tool and do not disconnect the cable until the tool reports success. Interruptions cause corruption. After it finishes, reboot to system, let Android optimize apps and verify the new Android version and that your main apps work. If something goes wrong, first retry with updated drivers and another cable, then reflash or restore your backup. If the phone won't boot, use recovery mode to clear cache or restore a saved image, and contact OEM support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.